guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today we are starting a long-term food storage. I'm totally new at this, but I've been doing some research and I wanted to just make a video on basically how I'm starting mine, and maybe you guys can start your own. I wanted to make it simple because a lot of videos that I found are super hard to because these people just have all this stuff and it's so overwhelming. So I wanted to just make a video with how to start. So this is what I'm doing. Like I said, I don't really know exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going along with it. So if you guys have any suggestions, please leave me a comment down below because I would love to hear what you guys tried or if it's worked for you or whatever. So today, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all the things that I've gotten so far that I feel my family will use in case of, I don't know. We're just supposed to have food for long term because you never know. Things are so crazy nowadays. So anyways, I don't want to talk that much. I'm just going to go ahead and get to it. My husband put these shelves. This storage room is in my laundry room. So I originally only had this one shelf and I asked my husband, could you please add shelves so that we can put the food and it can work for us. So he went ahead and did that for me. Here's that footage.
You got me dancing in a storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters.
He put it up pretty quickly. It didn't take him much time. So, and they weren't expensive. I can put a clip, maybe a clip right here, when we went to Lowe's to pick them up. I believe each shelf was $18, maybe $23, something like that for the whole kit for each shelf. So anyways, the idea is I don't want to have all this stuff. I don't make my own bread. I don't make anything fancy. We're very simple people, okay? We eat simple things. And like I said, I didn't want to spend all this money and make it like this big thing. So I'm going to do it little by little. So make sure that you are subscribed so that you follow along my journey with this. So here is how it looks. As you can tell, I have a mess over there, but that's for later on. Okay, so this shelf is a little bit shorter. Like I said, that one was already there and then we added two. So I'm gonna just start putting stuff together and see how I can organize it, and then I'll show you guys at the end. Okay, so don't mind my mess back here. I just pulled everything out. So first we got some beans. We got 2 of these. Each pack has 8. We got this from Sam's. I also got some of these tuna fish salad kits. They have everything that you need in them. I also got this at Sam's and it was a pack of 6. So every time I go to Sam's, I'm gonna pick up a couple. And all these things don't expire for a long time, which is what you're looking for when you're looking for food. Like this expires next year in August. So it's about a year and a half good. I got pasta sauce. So this doesn't expire until January of 2025. And then we picked up some tomato dices. These also, I think, last 5 years, if not more, because you can make your own sauce. You can make all kind of stuff with this. I bought 2 of these. And then I got a pack of 6 noodles. And then we got this big thing of ramen. This doesn't last that long, but I figured I'd have it in our storage because it's also gonna, we use this a lot. 2 packs of non-fat dry milk. We have oil, vegetable oil. That's that. And then I got some nuts. When do these expire? These don't expire till 2024. And then I got a bag of rice. I got 2 Quaker Oats. I got a thing of lemonade powder. I'll show you guys in a second. It's in the other room. But let me just go ahead and start putting all this, and then I'll do a voiceover with a little bit of information that I found.
Okay guys, so I wanted to explain to you a couple things. So basically some things that I learned is only buy foods that you're actually going to use on a daily basis to start with, at least until you get used to going through your food storage and keeping track of the things that you have. Because if you start to just buy random stuff that you don't really use, then it's probably going to go old on you fairly quickly. So my first thing that I started doing is I'm starting with foods that I use on a normal basis. Okay, another thing that I learned was you have to rotate your food. So, for example, if you have 3 Alfredo sauces and in your storage room, and then you purchase one because you know you're going to make Alfredo this week for dinner, the new one that you bought, you're going to put it in the back of your long-term food storage, and then use the one in the front and take that to your main pantry. That way you're actually using the food and everything stays fresh as much as possible.
Forever looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first.
Okay, so here is the little bit that I have. It's not a lot, but I honestly feel good because it's not easy to do groceries, buy extra stuff, and you know, it's a lot if you do it all at once. But if you buy little by little, like this is my first little haul that I did. And then each week I'll buy a couple things extra, and little by little my whole thing will be full. So make sure you're subscribed so that one day it'll be nice and full and we'll be excited. Okay, so quickly I'm going to tell you guys what is in here. We love red kidney beans. I cook with them all the time and we'll definitely use them. We have diced tomatoes. We have pasta. I showed you guys the tuna, the red pasta sauce, Alfredo sauce, the top ramen, the mixed, what is that called? Mixed nuts? Yeah, mixed nuts. We have oatmeal, vegetable oil, 2 packs of the dry milk. I didn't show you guys this. I picked this up. It's a 48-hour emergency food supply. It's a 4-person kit. So I started off with 2 of them. They're $25 at Walmart. I can try and link it in the description box if I find it again. But each one of these has 10,910 calories. And I think it's good for 25 years. So that's good to have. They also have like breakfast ones. They have all kinds of stuff. So you guys definitely look into it. I want to get at least 3 more of these because we are a family of 5. So if I do the math right, if this is for 4 people for 48 hours, that's 4 times 2 days, I guess, right? So that's 8 days for 1 person. So if I get 1 for each person will have 8 days worth of food for $25, which I feel like it's a great price. So, but I bought this a while ago. Not a while ago, maybe like 2 months ago. But so we got that, and then we have 2 jugs of water. I don't buy water on a regular basis. We buy filters from our fridge. So this will probably be hard for me to rotate. That's why I only got 2, but I do buy water for my nose to rinse it out. I have a sinus problem, but so maybe I can do that. I don't know. We'll figure it out, but I didn't want to get too many. We got this drink mix where you can just add water and you have juice, and then our rice, which I will continue to, like I explained to you guys, I'll continue to rotate this. When I'm done with the rice that I have in my main pantry, then I'll come grab this one, order a new one, and put it here. And then I would like to have at least 3 bags of rice in here, and then rotate all of them. So that I'm working on. These things are like 10 bucks each. So I wanted to start slow. So yeah, here is what we have. I don't know, did I show you guys? It's pretty big in here. It's this whole thing, and then there it goes deep into there. We Me and my kids go in here for hurricanes and tornadoes, and if they say there's a tornado warning, we hide in here. We put blankets and stuff, and they think it's so cool when we do that. But that's why I leave this empty. It was full of decorations, but I wanted this to be like a designated emergency room. So I'm gonna clear that stuff out. Oh, this, I forgot. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys this. My husband picked this up at Walmart. He paid 30 bucks. It was originally $40, and it's a 7-cup filter. So basically, if you have one of these, it's kind of, because it's made by Life Straw, and we were gonna buy the Life Straws, but my husband's seen this and he's like, what do you think? Should I get this? I'm like, you know what? That's a good idea, because we can, if, you know, God forbid we were in an emergency and we didn't have clean water, we could just get water from anywhere, really, have it filtered through here, and we have clean water to use. So that's a really good thing. And I think it has filters and stuff. So I'm going to read on it. I didn't want to open it because I wanted to show it to you guys, but I'm going to see. I think you have to buy filters and stuff, so I'll buy the replacement filters. But I still do want to get the Life Straws because it's easier, you know, for individuals. They are a little expensive. So like I said, guys, I'm going to do everything little by little. There's no rush to, you know, do everything all at once and go crazy and spend all of our money. So we got this for now, and I feel like it's a good start. We have toilet paper back there. Like I said, I'm not done. This is the start of our room. I don't want you guys to be like, what is she doing? She thinks no, I know it's not right. I'm sure I'm doing things wrong, but it's a start, right? But I would like to organize all this to make it just, maybe we can add more shelves up here. I don't know. I'm going to start with these and then maybe add shelves here for our like extra supplies, napkins, toilet paper, you know, just stuff like that on this side. And then have this, maybe add like little, chairs or something. I don't know, just have them here, so God forbid we need to hide in here, we can have chairs. I don't know. I'm gonna look into it, see what's the best thing we can do, and we'll go from there. But that is this room. But
okay, for now I'm adding my paper goods to the shelves because I'm gonna add other shelves to the other side, and once I get food in, this will all be food. But for now, this is what I'm gonna do.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna